Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, so for those who do not know, I crashed my bike about 4 weeks ago. Estimated to be about 4 weeks ago, okay? Crashed my bike, and I thought there was pretty minimal damage. There was not really much wrong with the bike, other than one of the steering stops is broken, and I feel like the alignment is ever so slightly off, but not enough to be noticeable at all, so that's all right. And I thought there was pretty much no damage, but someone fucking commented on do that up. Someone commented on my video and said, hey, do you have like custom bars on the Trident? Because they look like swept inwards. And I hadn't really noticed anything, but you know what? They are swept inwards, right? But it looks natural. It looks like it was meant to happen. It looks perfectly normal, but they are swept in. And that's crazy, because when I look at like Chase on Two Wheels first ride, I watched his video on it. His fucking bars are way straight, dude. So yeah, and the only thing I could think of is because of the crash that it would be like that. I don't know why else it would be like that. Is she gonna stop me from coming out? I'm just gonna thank you, madam. I'm just gonna cut my way through here. There we go. We fucking figured it out. Fuck those guys, man. Fuck you all. It's gonna be really slippy, so I'm gonna take a bit of a chill pill around here. So yeah, maybe they're a bit swept inwards, which, you know what? It's kind of fucking cool, I think. It's like a bit more of a race setup. Oh my god. It's a bit more of a race setup, which I think is kind of funky, you know? So I'm not really mad about it at all. Oh my god, I hate fucking just cars, man. I wish they would just leave me alone. Oh, this is kind of wet still. Where I crashed? Yeah, baby. Good memories, man. Good memories. So, oh yeah, by the way, another thing I have to say is that I lost loads of footage because I accidentally knocked the camera and it was not tight. And so it was filming fucking down like the whole time. Oh, what's going on? What seems to be going on? I'm gonna there we go, into the gap. Yeah, the camera was pointing way down the entire time, and so I just had to get rid of all the footage. It's really annoying because I watched someone fucking crash into each other, but I fucking missed it, dude, because the camera's pointing down. I watched someone almost crash into me, and the most epic dodge you've ever seen in your life. And guess who's gonna see it? Nobody, mate. Not even me, because I didn't bother, because I had the camera wrong the entire fucking time, dude. And I didn't even realize, and it's so annoying that happened. But now this is a bit of a test run, so if you see this, the camera's obviously back to its former glory. And guess what the fuck else? I just bought the Osmo Action fucking 4, and guess what just came out? Osmo Action 5, which I do take offense to. I wish they would have warned me when I was buying it, because I bought it on the website. I usually try and find deals, but I just bought it from them because they were at the cheapest, to be fair. So big up for being the cheapest. And it was, oh fuck yeah, man. It was any cars? No. You know, my friends at my friend's house, but I bet you he's such a little bitch. I fucking bet you he's gonna be waiting outside, even though the door's unlocked. All right, and he could go in. I bet you he's gonna be waiting outside because he's too scared to go in without me. What do you predict? I predict he's gonna be waiting the fuck outside. Let's see. Yes! Oh, face reveal. Fuck you.